Hello? No, you don't. You don't know me. Miss me. Every Pumpoy. Ah, bye bye. Bye bye. Good to meet you all. Hello, Cheap Dave here. This is the corner of Pattaya, going down towards the beach. Extends down there, becomes Road 2. This is really Road 2 as well, but it's Pattaya, and Pattaya comes down here as well. So we'll see what's down this road. Not been down here for a little while on video. I have been down here a few times for beers, but we'll take a look. Yeah, so on my way to meet Jay and Ant in Soy 7. We're going to watch the Liverpool game that starts at 6:30. So we'll go and watch that. Right, so here's your prices for massage. You got all the different prices there, gives you an idea. We've got a lady here selling excursions, so if you're interested in any of that, you've got all the different ones there. So yeah, if you want an excursion, off you go. Sort it out. Nice little restaurant here, looks very posh, does look nice though. But let's have a look. It's Natan's, so there's your prices. If you're interested, want to bring your lady friend down here, you can have any of this lot. And then we've got another page here. Do it a little bit slow so it gives you a chance to read the prices. That's your last little bit. Thai food, extra Thai food. So there you go, yeah. So you can have any of that lot, and not cheap, but I suppose the quality's good. You pay for what you get. So what we got over there? Got Sharple's Chip Shop. You want fish and chips? And there you got Legends, which used to be on Soy 7, I think, Legends. Yeah. So if you want a massage, here's all the prices there. Get a massage all the way down here. Body cab. Get your hair cut there, your nails done. So you got Legends Bar, like I say, yeah. They've moved onto the main drag now. I don't know whether they got a better deal on the rental. That's a good sports bar if you want to go and watch the football. So here you got the Love, the Lone Star, the Love, and that's a nice bar. You got the pool in there. You're left alone just to have a beer. Okay, so lots of bars down this Pattaya. You have your normal 7-Eleven sortie cab. You've got a Subway. There you go, you can have a sub, 95 baht. You've got your different daily ones all there. There we got your teeth now, you can get them done. You got your before and afters. And your prices. So there you go. Rumours bar over there. got the country club there. Someone selling the fresh fruit here. Always good, always tasty. Sorry, Carl. There you go. Looks really good. Okay. There's Ming Ming. Oh wow. Over the road here we've got Tinny's Pies. I've still got one in the bank off one of my subscribers. I'm going to go there and have it. I will have it, and I will mention you in the video when I do have it. Not the cheapest place, but apparently very good. We've got a Valhalla bar and restaurant. Now Valhalla is a Viking. They did a film about Valhalla. Over there we've got the rear entrance to Supertown. So if you want a bit of rear entrance action in Supertown, this is where you go in. Okay, sorry, cab. Hello, say hello. No, you don't. You don't know me. Miss me. Every pump boy. Pump. Ah, bye bye. Bye bye. Good to meet you all. We've got a little bar here which is finger food for free. Sorry, cab. Yeah, so over here, the Thai ladies, very friendly, very nice, willing to say hello, willing to wave at the camera. If they said no, then I wouldn't take it. You've got the lamb kebab store down there. What else you got? Oh, they got doner kebabs and stuff like that. And then we got this little thing here, which means we are officially entering Jomtien, even though I class myself as being in Jomtien at the top of the hill. Right, so made it halfway down the road on the Pattaya towards the beach, just by the big sign that gives you the entrance to Jomtien, and directly opposite here is the View Tele Beach Jomtien, which is this massive building here with the rows and rows of trees on the roof. So I imagine not cheap. Also, if you look just behind there, you've got Hemingway's. Now that's another sports bar you can go to if you just want to watch football in peace. Good place to go. So anyway, that'll be it from the Tractor Boys Walkabout in Jomtien video. This will be 2, so please like, subscribe, press the bell, and I will be back with some more junk tomorrow. Now, one last thing before I go, got another channel I've just started. It's Cheap Dave in Thailand 2. If you could subscribe on that, I'd appreciate it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. go, look at that. Good.